Watch me learn from my mistakes. Look at this beautiful painting here with all the springy colors. And what am I doing now? Why did I do that? I'm trying to cover large parts of the colors to make the pink pop more, but actually I think it was much prettier in the beginning. Look at that. Why am I doing that? This is the final result. It's not bad, but I liked it so much more in the beginning. What do you think?